for you guys to do. So here your y is 8 over 3x minus 2 minus 1 square. This straight line is a tangent to the curve at point Q. Equation of straight line PR is also given. So find area of shaded region. So number one, I want you to draw a dotted line here. This is 1, this is 2. You can see that the area is actually here, 1 to 2 minus this triangle. But I need to find the coordinate point R. Yeah, they give us this equation. Normally they combine with differentiation. You're supposed to find this equation yourself. But let's how at x-axis, what is 0? Y is 0. So minus 6x plus 8 is 0. 6x is 8x is 1 over 3 or 4 or 3. So if this 1 over 3, the length from here to here should be 1 over 3, isn't it? 8 over 6 isn't 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is 1 over 3. You subtract 1 over 3, height is 2. So your area, you must, this part here we can integrate from 1 to 2. This function square dx. This triangle I use half times base times height. So, and remember, when you integrate involving composite function, involving composite function, what do? I write down the formula again if you cannot remember. If your bracket is below, what do? You put a negative in front. Then you copy k. You copy the bracket. You reduce the power by 1. No. You put the reduced power in front first. You differentiate inside the bracket. You put it below. So in this case, you put a negative in front. You copy 8. You copy 3x minus 1. Reduce the power by 1. Differentiate 3. This is 1 over 3. Okay, I haven't finished yet. Let's sub. 8 over 3, I like to take negative 8 over 3. Put 2 inside. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. Put 1 inside. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So this is 8 over 3 times 1 over 5 minus 1 over 2. Whatever you get minus 1 over 3. The result is 7. Okay? Yes. No. No, it's supposed to be 1 to 2. Okay, it starts from the 1 here. Yeah? 1 to 2 only. Yeah? Here. Very hard.